little bit more up though.
What you mean?
Yo, what we doing?
You better look at no titties and knock your ass out.
I'm not. You don't know shit. Wasn't even finna hear me.
What's good, my nigga?
Vengeance.
You look like you fucking sacrifice children, nigga.
I look like I sacrificed children. Nigga, you look like
You
a
ugly.
condom
You
with a
ugly as
hole in
shit.
it.
You
What you
ugly as
talking
shit.
about? Nigga, you look like a condom with a hole in it. Nigga, you don't even want to show your
Yeah,
face. Your
that's
bum ass.
crazy, yeah.
Fuck is you
Fuck,
talking
tell
about?
me no ammo.
Niggas got me fucked up. Fuck
I
is
don't
that?
matter.
Nah,
Come
bro.
out the
What's up?
What's up?
What y'all doing? Yo, how old is y'all?
16.
16.
Don't believe.
Like, you was gonna say, man. That wasn't even a Detroit song. His dumb ass. That's Flint.
Hey, I got 2 chins because I'm getting to win.
I'm getting two. Nah, I got two chins and we getting two wins. Man, you look like you on a mission.
What kind of shirt that nigga had
On
on that
me.
night? Everybody was asking that shit.
He knew what it
From,
was.
okay?
He knew what it was because he
Yo.
was on a mission. What's the word? I ain't gonna lie, you catfish the shit out of me. I thought you was a baddie.
Catfish, Sam. Bitch, you a catfish.
Yeah, she bleeding big.
Shut up. Yo.
Hey, that's one thing about the game. Why y'all niggas just be looking at me like I'm black? Okay. Now you trying to raise me up. I don't get it. I don't get it. You're a dude. Give me some thumbs up.
Oh, you made me want to bust a nut in your mouth.
He's in my.
Now I'm Greg. I'm gonna take your honey man. I'm gonna caress you. I'm gonna oil you up. I'm gonna rub you. I'm gonna put some sharpest spike in your ass. You ain't even gonna know. You're gonna be used to it though from the first time. And I'm gonna give you the 100 million back. And I'm gonna take you on your way.
Bro, why y'all just like, come on, man. Come on, man. Like, how y'all just doing that, bro?
Hey.
What's the word?
What?
Oh, I can't hear you say kind out, bro.
Nah. I said I'm happy you had some good wings, bro.
Appreciate it, bro.
Hmm?
I said I appreciate it.
Oh, alright, have a good night, bro.
All right, Tony.
Damn, what's up? Let me
Hey, glad nigga, delete your stream, fake.
You on stream, gang? Oh shit, I was gonna tell him sub. Hey, live it up though. We'll fuck with you, gang.